Hello and welcome. Mamelodi Sundowns have unveiled their 2026-27 kit. In a statement that they released, it says, Global sports company Puma and Mamelodi Sundowns Football Club today launched their home kit for the 2026-27 season. The new shirt is the first to feature the two stars after the club's shoe shine and piano style of play secured the CAF Champions League for the second time in May 2026. An iconic look returns with the new home kit, a design rooted in the club's identity, while remaining a historic kit that features on the cover of the inaugural edition of Kick-Off magazine in February 1994. This modern interpretation pays tribute to the proud legacy of Mamelodi Sundowns, while symbolizing the club's progress and ambitions for the future. As was the case in 1994, the new home kit features a yellow shirt, blue shorts, and white socks, while their finer details inspired by the 1994 jersey are the popping red Puma logos and distinctive thin green stripes on the collar. The jersey also subtle debossed yellow stripes. The marketing campaign, entitled Shine On Masandawana, stars the current and rising Mamelodi Sundowns players Grant Kekana, Thapelo Morena, Malibongwe Khoza, and Utlwano Letlhabo, as well as legends who have contributed to the club's unprecedented success on the pitch over the decades, including Daniel Mambush Mudau, who was part of the 1994 team, as well as club iconic Roger Fatumba and Hlompo Kekana, who captained the team when they earned their first CAF Champions League star in 2016. The 1994 squad showcased the club's shoe shine and piano style, led by Mudau, Ernest Ntawali, Phil Masinga, Bernard Masinga, Sam Ewe Kambule, Zain Musa, Joel Faya Masilela, Joas Maholeho, Sizwe Mutaung, and goalkeeper Mark Anderson and Isaac Shai, a team which had won the club's third league title in the previous campaign. And Brad Bellinger, Puma South Africa marketing director, said, Mamelodi Sundowns and Puma have formed a formidable team over the past decade. With the new kit, we wanted to honor and celebrate all the players who have contributed to the club's successful legacy. It is fitting that this Shine On Masandawana kit will be the first to feature the second star, marking the club's latest CAF Champions League win. More evidence with that Masandawana, the sky is the limit. Hlompo Kekana, who was the first captain when Mamelodi Sundowns won the CAF Champions League in 2016 to win the first star, said, We felt different as players when we started wearing Puma kit in 2016, as it brought back memories and history that the brand had with Mamelodi Sundowns from the era of Mambush Mudau, Ewe Kambule, and Chensi Gondwe. The legacy gave us the edge to push harder and emulate the club's legends. The new jersey, which is the first edition with two stars above the club's crest, is a piece of history as it pays homage to the past and celebrates the success of Mamelodi Sundowns as the champions of Africa. Those are the words of club legend Hlompo Kekana. And supporters can purchase the two official versions, the authentic shirt as worn by players on the pitch and the replica. The authentic version features Puma's Ultra Wave fabric, an athletic fit for elite level performance. Ultra Wave is Puma's ultra lightweight performance fabric, precision worn for unrestricted movement and distraction-free performance, while the dry cell and the thermo adapt technologies are designed to wick sweat and regulate heat and to keep you dry and comfortable. The replica shirt is made with recycled polyester. The home shirt will be available on the 31st of July 2026. The authentic player shirt for 2,399 Rand. The replica men and women 1,999 and the replica kids for 1,199 Rand. Available at Puma retail stores, puma.com, JD Sports, Total Sports, Sportsman's Warehouse and Studio 88. That's the statement from Mamelodi Sundowns as they unveiled the kit. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this new kit that Mamelodi Sundowns have unveiled? Are you impressed with the kit? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of the news. See you next time.